Lots of good reasons to defoliate, to get rid of the ugly leaves. Hi, I'm miltonchang of Bonsaiheirloom. This is a time to do defoliating, and I want to show you what it means. There are a lot of questions about maple trees getting burned, and you can see definitely it's under stress, and that's because it's never enough water during the summer months. So one trick is that the leaves does not look very attractive right now. So what I can do is to do a little bit of pruning to shape, improve the look of it. At the same time, I will remove the leaves by pulling them off carefully. In a sense, I don't want to break the buds. But and then the stuff that I pull off will fall off eventually as the new buds push out to fill the gap. And what you will have, like this is a red maple that looks pretty distressed, but in about 3 weeks, 4 weeks, this tree will be full of young, bright red leaves, will be absolutely gorgeous. And so this is what you can do to renovate the dried out maple tree during the summer months when it's hit by the hot sun. But again, the new leaves will come out quite resilient. They will last a little bit longer than the old leaves in the fall. I can leave some of the young leaves alone, but the dry out leaves, I'll pull them off. It doesn't take much to pull them off, and they will come out beautifully red, young, luscious, tender growth in about 3 to 4 weeks. And so that's called defoliating. And not only that, the new shoots will shoot out fairly quickly, in some sense, to grow rapidly, to nourish the tree, to also cause branching. So lots of good reasons to defoliate in the fall to get rid of the ugly leaves. And in very quick order, the new leaves will come out beautifully to reward you with your extra work. But if you just leave it alone, that's fine too. The leaf will drop off in the fall, look all ugly between now and the fall. And then it will come out next spring, bright red. But this way, you increase the amount of ramification twice, in a sense of more than once a year, and which is also a good thing. And so that's why you see some of the Japanese maples have great deal of ramification, because that's one of the tricks they apply in Japan. That's all it takes. You don't have to be too thorough because you can always pull it off later. But I have pulled off all the leaves, and then I'll do a little bit of clipping to shape the tree as well. So for example, this branch, it's kind of long, but that's okay. But this I can cut off. And then I will show you this tree in about 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, and you'll see together we can enjoy the beautiful red leaves. Well, I'm just cutting off the branches to conform to the original vision of what I have. So you can see the trees are not, it's fairly clean. Like this one is going out both ways. So I'll cut it off a little bit to shorten it. So let me show you the finished tree. It's really quite nice when it comes out. And after 2 or 3 years, there will be significant amount of ramification, in a sense, a lot of leaves. And in the late spring or late summer or early summer, I can do the getting off the defoliating again to create a beautiful, I guess that would be about August time frame. This whole tree will be covered with the red, beautiful leaves. So let me tell you a little bit about the origin of this tree. It's red maple, big leaves. That's why I made it into a big bonsai, because the leaves are not very tiny. In fact, you can see it's quite large. And it was for sale at the Mammoth auction in October in Oakland, and I lay merit. And I hope you'll find a chance to October to go to the auction. There's usually close to 100 trees for sale that are old and so forth. And this tree actually, in the sales auction, sales section, it's just a stump people take out of their yard. And I cut off this branch and took advantage of this. I really like the bottom trunk and then this curve going up, and I'm trying to reshape it. Eventually, I think it'll be really a beautiful tree. But it was a stump that really people discarded because it doesn't fit into their landscaping. But that's the kind of opportunity you have to find good bonsai material. Use the base. The rest is not much to look at, but you build on it. You add all these branches on as time goes on by using the clip and growth method until you get it right to fulfill your vision. So with that in mind, then, I have shown you today how to refine it one more time. At the same time, I pull off all the leaves that dry out by the summer sun, so that to renovate it for the new bud to shoot out. Because once you pull the leaves off, the bud will shoot out very quickly into 3-4 weeks time frame. Then you have a lot of new, fresh, new growth. So this tree was bought about 1.5 years ago. So please watch the one I did about 6 months ago, and I'll renovate it, renew it, show you again what it will look like. I guess I mentioned maybe I should do a quick one to show you in a Q&A session what it looks like in about 4 weeks, and then I'll work on it again, probably late fall again. So in another 4 to 6 months. So to show you the progress of the tree, and people love maple, especially old maple trees, and that gives you an idea how you can do it yourself and see the progress, what you have to do. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and click like to encourage me and tell me how I can do it differently to improve. Click like and subscribe to our channel. So thank you very much, and see you next week. I hope you enjoyed it.